Welcome to CPC Grand Rapids Metal Plant. The purpose of this film is to help familiarize you with metal plant operations. Today we will follow the manufacture of an A rear door assembly. The majority of steel is received in coils by means of truck. Upon receipt, it is identified, checked, and tagged for storage. The coils are brought from storage to a cutoff press when needed. It is decoiled and run through a die where it is cut into blanks. The blanks are then stored until needed. Next, the blanks are used in the press department. They are fed online mechanically or manually. The blanks are moved through a series of dies which first draw form and then are spanked, trimmed, and pierced until the finished detail product. This rear door inner line has a series of 7 different dies. It is then loaded on racks for storage until needed. Statistical Process Control, or SPC, is performed on these rear door inners by means of a fixture and a datamite. This is an automatic data collection device that assists in keeping control and a history of our process. This is our green room, where surfaces are audited. It's called a green room because it is lit with green fluorescent lights on 2 walls and the ceiling. The panels are covered with a highlight oil to simulate a painted surface. The component parts to an A rear door are rear door inner, outer, frame assembly window, reinforcements, upper and lower hinges, bar assembly, and primer, and deadener not shown here. These parts are brought together at the assembly line. The door inner assembly starts with this spank press. The inner goes through a series of 3 spank presses, 5 weld stations, and 3 primer applications. The outer assembly is comprised of the outer panel and deadener, applied in this booth. The inner assemblies and outer assemblies are then married and run through 2 more weld stations and another spank press to finalize the assembly. Monitor boards are maintained at the line to assist in pertinent part history and tooling information. The completed door assembly is then run through a preset probe station for a dimensional check. The results are printed out on a terminal at the line. The door assembly then travels past an inspector stationed on the line prior to loading. The doors are then racked, identification tagged, and delivered to storage until needed for shipment. Parts are then removed from storage and re-inspected by a dock inspector prior to shipment. Grand Rapids is capable of running over 400 door assemblies per hour and ship these doors to 6 different assembly plants. We load 650 doors per boxcar. We have loaded 60 boxcars of miscellaneous material per day. So you can see we have a very vigorous activity in metal plants. Assembly plants are our customers, and this film is one of our efforts to improve our communications and relationship with our customers.